Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Square Root. This is the channel where we learn different mathematical concepts and mathematical tricks. Not by mugging up the steps, perhaps we understand each step and why and the significance of each step. We understand how each trick works. In this session, we are going to discuss a trick from Vedic mathematics which would be about multiplying a number with series of 9. Let's say we are multiplying 432 into 999. This trick says that it has two parts. First part, we will be subtracting 1 from 432. That would be 431. From 999, we would be subtracting 431. From this, we get 5, 6, 8. So this would be our final answer, 431568. Let's take one more example. 237 into 999. So the first part is 237 minus 1, that is 236. Second part is 999 minus 236, which would be 763. So the final answer is 236763. In the previous example, number of digits in the 9 series and number of digits in the number which we want to multiply had the same numbers. For example, we did 482 into 999. 482 has 3 digits and 999 has 3 nines. Now we will extend the number of nines in the 9 series. Let's see how does that work. Consider 482 into 9999. Again, it has two parts. 482 minus 1, that is 481, and the next part would be 9999, that is 9999 minus 481, which would be 9518. So the answer is 4819518. Now again I will increase one more 9. 482 into 99999. According to the trick, 482 minus 1, that is 481. That is first part. Second part would be 99999 minus 481, that is 99518. If you observe here, when the number and the number of nines in the 9 series are same, we didn't have any nines in between. We just had these two parts. I increased one 9 between these two parts, that is 481 and 518, one 9 got added. Again I increased the nines in the next problem. Between this 481 and 518, two nines got added. So if I keep on increasing the number of nines, one 9 keeps on adding in between. Now let's see how does the trick work. What we were doing is, we were doing a number, let's say A, into number which is nothing but series of 9. Let's say we have 9 n times. 99 has two nines, that can be written as 100 minus 1, which is 10 square minus 1. 999 has 3 nines, that is 1000 minus 1, which can be written as 10 cube minus 1. So 9 repeated n times can be written as 10 to the power of n minus 1. This can be written as a into 10 to the power of n minus a. I will subtract minus 1 and add minus 1 to it. This would be a into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus a plus 1. Now I would group these two. In this one, a into 10 to the power of n is nothing but a multiplied with 10 n times, that is a followed by n zeros. So it would be a followed by n zeros minus 1, that is this one. And here I would take minus common. This is minus of a minus 1. Now here we have n zeros. I will write the last 0 here. 0 minus 1 is not possible, so it will take a borrow from next number. Again it will take a borrow from next number. Like on, it will go till a, and a will give a borrow, and this will become a minus 1. This will become 10. 10 should give borrow to the next 0. This will become 9, and this will become 10. So this has to give borrow to the next number. This will become 9, and hence all the zeros here will become 9, and this last 0 will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So all these 9s would come as it is. So this is 9 times n. That is 9 series which has n number of 9s. This a minus 1 would come as it is. And this one is minus of a minus 1. This is the formula behind our trick. The formula behind the trick is a into a series of 9 which has 9 n times is nothing but a minus 1 followed by 9 n times minus of a minus 1. Let's apply the same formula to the example that we have already discussed. 482 into 999 is 481 followed by 999 minus 481. By doing that, we get 481518. This was the first part, and this was the second part what we discussed, and this is how it works. Let's consider 482 into 99. In this case, the number of 9s in the 9 series is 2, and the number which we are multiplying is 482, which has 3. So 3 is greater than 2. In all other cases, it was different. The number of 9s in the series was at least equal to the number of digits in the number which we want to multiply. Now, how do you do in this case? In this case, you will not apply part 1, part 2 and all. You will directly go ahead and apply the formula. 482 into 99 is 481 followed by 99, that is 99, minus 481. By doing so, you will get 47718, which is nothing but the product of 482 and 99. This ends the session of this week. In coming week, I will be coming with few more multiplication tricks. Till then, bye bye.